Rising from an island in the middle of Lake Galvė, Trakai Island Castle is one of Europe's most spectacular island fortresses and Lithuania's most iconic medieval castle. Connected to the mainland by a long wooden bridge, the castle was built not only as a royal residence, but also as one of the strongest defensive strongholds of the Grand Duchy of Lithuania. Construction began in the second half of the 14th century under Grand Duke Kęstutis, who moved his residence and treasury from the nearby Trakai Peninsula castle to the island for greater security. The surrounding waters of Lake Galvė created a natural moat, making the fortress exceptionally difficult to attack. After Kęstutis' death, his son Vytautas the Great completed the castle around 1409, transforming it into one of the most advanced Brick Gothic fortresses in Eastern Europe. Although it endured attacks by the Teutonic Knights during its construction, the completed island castle was never successfully captured by an enemy, becoming a powerful symbol of Lithuanian independence and military strength. Following the decisive defeat of the Teutonic Order at the Battle of Grunwald, the castle gradually lost its military importance. It evolved into a magnificent ducal residence where foreign ambassadors were welcomed, and in 1430, Vytautas the Great died within its walls before he could be crowned King of Lithuania. After the wars with Muscovy in the 17th century, the castle fell into ruin for centuries. Extensive restoration during the 20th century carefully returned it to its medieval appearance, transforming Trakai Island Castle into one of Lithuania's greatest national symbols. Today, Trakai Island Castle houses the Trakai History Museum and remains Lithuania's most visited historic landmark. Rising from the waters of Lake Galvė, it continues to symbolize the strength, heritage, and enduring legacy of the Grand Duchy of Lithuania.